Okay, this lesson is on adding and subtracting integers. Okay, when you're going to do integers here, the easiest way to look at it is that 0 is actually the middle number. So if you think of the full number line going all the way to infinity and down to negative infinity, 0 would actually be the middle number. And so you can move along to get to positive infinity, you can go back all the way to negative infinity, 0 being in the middle. Now when I'm going to add and subtract integers or negative numbers, when you're adding, you're going to move to the right along the number line, and when you're subtracting, you're going to move to the left along the number line. So here I am at negative 4. Question A, negative 4 plus 7. So I'm starting at negative 4, and I need to add 7. So I need to move 7 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over to the right because I'm adding. So negative 4 plus 7 equals positive 3. For question B, I am starting at 3, and I'm going to subtract 8. So I'm moving back 8 spots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's going to take me down to negative 5. Okay, 3 subtract 8 is down to negative 5. If I'm at negative 2, subtract 4. So negative 2, and I'm going to subtract 4. So I'm going to move to the left 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to take me all the way back to negative 6. I'm going more into the negatives. I'm at negative 2 and I'm subtracting another 4. I'm going further into the negatives. Now sometimes when you're adding and subtracting integers, you're going to have a double sign. And double signs, so 2 signs here, no number in between. 2 negatives mean a positive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with a plus sign. Okay, so if the signs are the same, it becomes a plus sign. This becomes 6 plus 3. 6 subtracting negative 3. When you're subtracting a negative, it's like you're adding. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is 9. So anytime you see a double sign, so subtracting a negative, there's no number in between, just replace it with a single sign. 2 negatives become a positive. If the signs are the same, it's a plus. If the signs are different, it's a negative. Here's another example, some double signs in it. 5 plus negative 2. Okay, these 2 signs, okay, they're different. The positive and negative, it's just a subtraction. So this becomes 5 subtract 2. Then I have subtracting negative 4. Another double sign, subtracting a negative. The signs are the same this time, so it's going to be a plus 4. Then I can answer it. 5 subtract 2 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay? This is a short lesson on adding and subtracting integers. You're going to move along the number line. If you're adding, you move to the right. If you're subtracting, go to the left. Okay? If you have a double sign, change it. 2 negatives is a positive, and if a positive and negative becomes a negative. Okay? Thank you very much.